Hello and welcome back to Health and Fitness Guide, the channel that's all about helping you live your best life. Today, we're talking about something we all want, a faster metabolism. Metabolism is the process of converting food into energy. A faster metabolism means that your body burns calories more efficiently, which can lead to weight loss and improved overall health. A fast metabolism not only helps with weight loss, but it also keeps your energy levels high, your mood upbeat, and your body functioning at its best. And the good news is that there are natural ways to give your metabolism a boost. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel yet, then subscribe to it for more health and fitness videos. So, if you're ready to learn how to get that internal engine revving, then stick around because we've got some awesome tips for you. Let's go. Number 1. Drink more water. Drinking more water is one of the easiest ways to boost your metabolism. Water is essential for many bodily functions, including metabolism. In fact, research has shown that drinking water can increase your metabolic rate by up to 30% for up to 1.5 hours after drinking. Number 2. Get enough sleep. Sleep is crucial for overall health, and it also plays a significant role in your metabolism. Lack of sleep has been shown to slow down metabolism and increase hunger hormones, leading to weight gain. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night to keep your metabolism in check. Number 3. Eat enough protein. Eating enough protein is essential for muscle growth and repair, which can help increase metabolism. Protein has a higher thermic effect than carbohydrates and fat, which means that your body burns more calories digesting protein than it does digesting other macronutrients. You should add proteins into your diet by eating eggs, chicken and fish, which are very good source of natural proteins. Number 4. Exercise regularly. Exercise is one of the best ways to boost metabolism naturally. It helps to build lean muscle mass, which burns more calories than fat. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise every day, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. Number 5. Spice up your meals. Adding spices to your meals, such as chili peppers or cayenne pepper, can help to increase your metabolism. These spices contain capsaicin, which has been shown to increase metabolic rate and reduce appetite. Number 6. Don't skip meals. Skipping meals, especially breakfast, can slow down your metabolism. When you skip meals, your body goes into starvation mode, which can lead to a slower metabolism and increased fat storage. Aim to eat 3 meals a day and include healthy snacks in between to keep your metabolism in check. Number 7. Reduce stress. Stress can have a negative impact on your metabolism. When you're stressed, your body produces cortisol, a hormone that can slow down your metabolism and lead to weight gain. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises to help keep your metabolism in check. So there you have it, 5 tips on how to boost your metabolism naturally. Drinking more water, getting enough sleep, eating enough protein, exercising regularly, and spicing up your meals are all great ways to give your metabolism a natural boost. Remember that everyone's metabolism is different, and these tips may not work for everyone. But, incorporating these tips into your daily routine can help to improve your overall health and well-being. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.